In a series of precise and effective military operations, Russian forces have demonstrated their technological prowess by using Lancet Kamikaze drones to destroy Ukrainian two Bohdana Self-Propelled howitzers in multiple regions, including Kherson, Sumy, and Kharkiv. The Lancet drone, developed by Zala Aero, a leading Russian defense manufacturer, has become a game-changer on the battlefield. This loitering munition, often referred to as a kamikaze drone, is designed for precision strikes, combining advanced surveillance capabilities with lethal accuracy. Equipped with real-time target tracking and resistance to electronic warfare, the Lancet can locate and destroy targets with minimal risk to Russian forces. Its ability to operate at altitudes up to 5,000 meters and function for extended periods makes it a formidable weapon against Ukraine's NATO-supplied and domestically produced artillery systems, including the prized Bogdana howitzer. The Su-22 Bogdana, a Ukrainian-made 155mm self-propelled howitzer, has been touted by Kyiv as a modern, NATO-standard artillery system. Mounted on a Tatra 158 Phoenix 8x8 chassis, the Bogdana is designed for mobility and rapid deployment, with an armored cabin to protect its crew. Despite Ukraine's claims of enhanced protection and mass production capabilities, reportedly up to 36 units per month, the Bogdana has proven vulnerable to Russian Lancet drones. Multiple strikes in recent weeks have shown the drone's ability to penetrate defenses and deliver devastating blows, often destroying or severely damaging these howitzers in a single hit. One notable strike occurred in the Kherson region, where a Zala reconnaissance drone identified a camouflaged Bogdana at its firing position. The coordinates were quickly relayed to Russian command, and a Lancet drone was deployed, striking the howitzer with pinpoint accuracy. Video footage released by the Russian Ministry of Defense shows the moment of impact, with the Bogdana erupting in flames, rendering it inoperable. Similar incidents have been reported in the Sumy region, where Russian air reconnaissance units detected another Bogdana, leading to its destruction by a Lancet drone. In Kharkiv, near the settlement of Borshchevaya, Russian forces claimed the destruction of 2 additional Bogdana howitzers, further depleting Ukraine's artillery capabilities. These successful operations reflect Russia's advanced integration of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) into its military strategy. The combination of Zala Z-16 reconnaissance drones and Lancet loitering munitions allows Russian forces to conduct rapid, coordinated attacks. The Z-16 UAV, capable of operating for over 4 hours and resisting electronic warfare, provides real-time intelligence, enabling Lancet drones to strike with surgical precision. This synergy has proven highly effective against not only the Bogdana but also other Western-supplied systems, such as the US-made M109 howitzers, with Russian sources claiming over 100 confirmed strikes on these targets alone. The destruction of the Bogdana howitzers is a significant blow to Ukraine's artillery forces. The Bogdana, which entered mass production in December 2023, was intended to bolster Ukraine's firepower with its NATO-compatible 155mm rounds. However, Russian Lancet drones have consistently exploited vulnerabilities in the howitzer's design and deployment. Despite Ukrainian claims that the Bogdana's armor can protect its crew from drone strikes, the repeated destruction of these systems suggests otherwise. Russian military analysts argue that the Bogdana's large size and lack of adequate top cover make it an easy target for drones, especially when parked or maneuvering in open terrain. The Russian Defense Ministry has emphasized the cost-effectiveness of the Lancet drone, which can neutralize multi-million-dollar artillery systems at a fraction of the cost. This efficiency is a testament to Russia's focus on developing affordable yet highly capable weapons. Zala Aero has reported that Lancet drones have also destroyed over 120 Ukrainian T-64 tanks and more than 200 M777 howitzers, showcasing their versatility and impact across the battlefield. The drone's ability to evade Ukrainian electronic warfare systems further enhances its reputation as a reliable and deadly weapon. Russian military experts have praised the Lancet's role in shifting the dynamics of artillery warfare. By targeting high-value assets like the Bogdana, Russia is not only weakening Ukraine's offensive capabilities, but also sending a message to NATO about the effectiveness of its drone technology. The Lancet's success has sparked discussions about the future of warfare, with drones playing an increasingly central role in neutralizing traditional heavy weaponry. Russian forces are reportedly investing further in drone development, aiming to maintain their advantage in this domain. In conclusion, the recent strikes by Russian Lancet drones on Ukrainian Bohdana Self-Propelled howitzers demonstrate Russia's growing mastery of drone warfare. The precision, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness of the Lancet have made it a formidable tool in Russia's arsenal, capable of dismantling Ukraine's artillery capabilities. As footage of these strikes continues to circulate, Russia's technological achievements are gaining recognition, reinforcing its position as a leader in modern warfare. With the Lancet's proven track record, Russian forces are well equipped to maintain their strategic momentum, delivering precise and devastating blows to their adversaries.